If you want to see how I got these Taylor Swift Speak Now themed nails, then keep watching. So I'm going in with 1 coat of the purple, and I'm going to cure that for 1 minute, and then I'm going to wipe it with alcohol so that the chrome powder can stick on top of it, and I recommend using your finger for this. Then for the 3D nail art, I'm going in with a clear builder gel to make it look like a unicorn horn, and then after that you want to cure it, add a top coat, and then cure again, and then you just want to wipe off the excess with an alcohol pad. For this next one, you want to create a black border so that the gemstone can sit inside of it. So you just want to go in with the black polish and make sure that it's covering the entire outside of the nail with the outline. Then you want to cure that nail, and I'm going in with a clear builder gel to create the frame that the gemstone is going to sit inside of. And then after that, you want to cure it again, wipe with an alcohol pad, and then rub in the chrome powder. To create the gemstone, I mixed together the clear builder gel and some iridescent glitter flakes, and it just created the nice like pearlescent stone. So I cured that, top coated it, and then cured it again, and then you want to wipe with alcohol, and that nail is done. For this next one, I'm just going in with this cat eye polish and just playing around with the magnet, and I'm going to do this like 2 or 3 times, so just cure and repeat it after every time the magnet is done. And then I'm going with some fine line work to create these abstract purple like squiggles, I guess. You want to put that in the lamp, and then off camera I wrote "Speak Now," and I'm just cleaning it up, and I cured that, top coated it, and cured it again, and then that will complete this nail. For this one, I'm painting the nail white, curing it, and then I mix together acetone and polish in my airbrush machine. I'm just going in with pinks, purples, and just kind of playing around with it and curing it after each one. And here I'm going in with a black nail polish and just kind of making that butterfly outline and just curing it after you're done. For designs like this, it's best to use a thin brush, and it works the best whenever you have a little bit of polish on the brush, like not a lot. So just kind of use polish that's already on the nail and just drag it to different places. I'm using a rhinestone glue from Amazon, and after you're done with that, you want to cure it, top coat it, and then cure it again, and that finger is done. Since we're doing French tips, I'm going in with a neutral color, curing it, and then adding a top coat and curing that, and then buffing the surface so that when we do the French tips of chrome, it will not stick to that surface. My best tip for like drawing on French tips is to just like draw a line down the middle and then do the smile lines. Next, I'm going to cure that and wipe it with alcohol, and then I'm adding the chrome powder, and as you can see, it's not going to stick to the buff surface as I brush it away. So it was important that I did that. Now I'm just freehanding some butterflies and sparkles. I'm going to add some rhinestone glue and rhinestones to it, and that'll complete the design for it. The final steps are to cure that, add a top coat, and cure again, and then you're done.